We continue with our coverage tonight in Sheraton County as a small community responds to a national tragedy. ABC 17's Kennedy Miller is live for us at the scene. And Kennedy, you've been there near the site of the crash and the nearby town of Mendon all day today talking to people.
Lucas, I've been here since around 9 a.m. this morning. When I was here, it was full of state troopers and railway contractors. Now, if you take a look behind me, you'll notice the scene's pretty clear right now. There are still 2 state troopers here. Railway contractors have left the scene, but those troopers are here making sure nobody crosses the roadway where the incident happened yesterday afternoon. Now, I also spoke with a member of the community who told me when she found out the news, it brought chills.
I had goosebumps and made me feel like I wanted to start crying, and there's a lot of people around here that felt that same way.
It happened shortly after 1 p.m. yesterday. An Amtrak train carrying about 275 people struck a dump truck and derailed near Mendon. 4 people died and dozens were injured. Some people in the community described the event as unreal. Like Bambi Sportsman, an employee at Cooney's General Store.
It's like a dream, I guess, not a dream, but a nightmare.
Sportsman tells me she was at home when the train crashed, but says her daughter was at the scene and witnessed injured passengers trying to get to safety.
My daughter, she was over there helping and said that she's seen some lady with no nose and somebody else, some guy with nails in him, and just they were helping getting people off the bus and into the school. And
I also spoke to crews on the scene to find out how long the road is expected to be closed. They say they're unsure right now. Reporting live in Sheraton County, Kennedy Miller, ABC 17 News.
Kennedy, thank you. A 2,000-mile trip cut